Hey, welcome back to today's creative food. I'm Jill. Today I want to show you the recipe that I use when I make royal icing that I want to dry with a gloss shine look to it. It's just using some corn syrup, milk, and powdered sugar. Let me show you the recipe and then we're going to decorate. So I've added 2 cups of powdered sugar into a bowl, and I'm making just a little bit of a well. Then I'm going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of milk. Heaping means it's just a little bit more. And then a heaping tablespoon of corn syrup. This is the organic blend, so it does have a little bit of color to it, but it shouldn't show up too much when you add color. And then I'm going to add just a teaspoon, which is 1/3 of a tablespoon, and to give it an almond flavor. But of course you can add whatever flavor you want. And then we're just gonna keep stirring it. This needs a little bit more milk. And a little bit more corn syrup. This is the consistency that I'm looking for. See how it's just dribbling? And this is going to make a nice flow when I flow it onto my cookies.